Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can change your Facebook profile link. Please subscribe to our channel, don't forget to put your likes and also write comments at the end of the video. So friends, let's get to our topic. And open the Facebook app on your device. Next, go to the menu section. Now click on the gear and next you need to go to the Meta Account Center. Now tap on Profiles. Next, you will need to select that Facebook page whose link you would like to change. Now from this menu, you will select the username. As you can see, this is how you go to change the username. And as you can see, at the top you're warned that your link, your URL, it consists always of facebook.com/. And then your username, which you can change. And when you change it, your link to your Facebook profile changes accordingly. In order to change it, just click on it so you have a keyboard at the bottom. And now you'll need to change what you want to change. Once you have entered the appropriate changes, click Done. And then again. And this way, you will immediately change your Facebook profile link. Friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, put your likes, write comments, and see you soon.